When connecting 500 MCM cables to a 1200 amp breaker designed for 600 MCM cables, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, outlines approved methods. Addressing the situation with 3 existing 600 MCM cables underground presents a specific challenge that can be overcome with the correct approach. 2 approved methods exist for connecting 500 MCM cables to a 1200 amp breaker with lugs designed for 4 600 MCM cables. Firstly, consider a parallel connection. 2 500 MCM cables can be paralleled to effectively create an equivalent to a larger cable. In this scenario, you would parallel 2 500 MCM cables together, and then repeat this for the remaining 2 500 MCM cables. This parallel configuration effectively reduces the overall resistance and increases the current carrying capacity when using individual cables, ensuring compatibility with the existing breaker lugs. When implementing a parallel connection, it's important to adhere to NEC guidelines regarding conductor sizing and ampacity. Table 310.15b16 within the NEC provides guidance on the allowable ampacities of insulated conductors rated up to 2000 volts, and not more than 3 conductors in a raceway or cable earth, based on ambient temperature. The ampacity of the paralleled conductors must equal or exceed the rating of the overcurrent protection device, which in this case is the 1200 amp breaker. You must ensure that all the cables are the same length conductor material, termination method, and are installed in the same manner. Secondly, split bolt connectors offer another solution. Split bolt connectors selected with appropriate ratings can be used to join 2 500 MCM cables into a single larger conductor. This method effectively maintains the cross-sectional area and the original current carrying capacity of the cables. When choosing split bolt connectors, make certain they are specifically designed for the conductor sizes being joined and are listed for use in the particular application. The NEC provides guidance on the use of connectors and splicing devices in section 110.14b. The connectors must be suitable for the materials of the conductors and insulation, and must be properly installed and tightened according to the manufacturer's instructions. To find suitable lugs for paralleling or connecting 500 MCM cables, several suppliers can be considered, including Burndy, Eaton, Tyco Electronics, Hubble Power Systems, and Panduit. These manufacturers offer a variety of lugs designed for different conductor sizes and configurations, making them good sources for finding the correct components. Before making any connections, there are key considerations and steps to follow. Firstly, use lugs specifically designed for paralleling or connecting cables. Secondly, ensure the lugs are properly sized and rated for the cables and the breaker being used. Thirdly, employ a torque wrench to tighten the lug connections to the manufacturer's specified torque value. This ensures a secure and reliable connection. Fourthly, apply an anti-oxidant grease to the connections, which helps to prevent corrosion and maintain a good electrical contact over time. Fifthly, after completing the connections, verify their integrity using an infrared camera or other appropriate testing methods. This can help to identify any hotspots or areas of poor contact. Additional safety tips are paramount when working with electrical systems. Always de-energize the circuit before starting any work. Use appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE, including safety glasses, gloves, and insulated tools. Work in a dry environment and follow all applicable safety procedures and regulations. It's crucial to consult with a qualified electrician to guarantee that the connection is made in accordance with all applicable codes and standards. Electrical work can be dangerous, and improper connections can pose safety hazards.